Welcome to Culinary Quick Bites. Today we're going to talk about watermelon. We're going to go over how to remove the rind, and then we're going to break it down into a dice as well as into some sliced watermelon your students will enjoy. So watermelons are large, heavy pieces of fruit, and they can be intimidating to break down. But once I show you how to do this, hopefully it'll make it a little easier for you. So first thing we want to do is make sure that we have a level working surface. So we're going to remove both of the ends from the watermelon and just slice down and take it off. We want to make it flat, but we also want to make it so we're not taking too much of the flesh off. Go ahead and move that top to your waste tray. Again, we want to make sure it's pretty much even, and we're going to take another slice off the top here. Again, careful to not remove too much fruit. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to peel down the watermelon around the outside. It's a little tricky at first on your first cut because you don't have a guide. So you want to start right here where the white is. And then you're just going to make a nice cut down, and you're going to let your knife follow the shape of the melon all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to remove that. And now that we've got our initial slice, we can see where the melon is and then where the white rind is. So we're going to start cutting along the white rind all the way down. Again, repeating the same motion all the way around the entire melon. And it's okay if you get a little too, don't get deep enough in. You can always go back and clean up a little bit. It's better to take off less than take off too much and start getting into the flesh of your product. All right, so we got all the rind off. We're just going to go through and find any of these little spots of white that we don't want to have there anymore. All right, then we're going to flip it over and see if we missed any pieces on this side when we were cutting the rind off. Sometimes you have little hanger-oners there. That's a new culinary term, so hope you enjoy that one. And just double check for all the white around here. All right, next we're going to do, because we're going to do two different preparations with this one melon, we're going to go ahead and cut it in half so that we got a nice even workspace to work with. We're going to set one half off to the side, and then we're going to explore how to dice this. So similar to when we dice an onion, what we want to do is start making horizontal slices into the melon and going all the way around it. All right, so now we've got 4 nice layers of melon here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start cutting down. So at this point, you kind of have like little watermelon fingers that are being cut. And if you wanted to, you could serve just nice watermelon wedged fingers like that. But we want to dice this because we're going to put it in a fruit salad. So now we've got slices into it horizontal, we've got vertical, and now we're going to go in vertical again and move from right to left. All right, now we've got this awesome cubed large dice watermelon ready to go for our students. Go ahead and practice at your site, and we will catch you on the next Culinary Quick Bites.